Here I have a 6-pin Keymark mortise cylinder sent to me by Ed. Thank you for the lock. I'm going to be using the number 6 fall deep hook on it. Top of the keyway. And there she is. Picked open. Go ahead and dump it real quick and see what's in it. So that's the first time I've picked this one. First time I've tried to pick it. Let me clean up. Okay. Didn't fill any security pins at all. Loctite on the screws back here. There's a good profile of the key, or the keyway rather. All 6 pins are in it. If I can get a pick in there to show you the bitting. Got some master pins in it too. And all the drivers are going to be standard, I'm sure. I'm just going to look at them real quick. Got some strong springs in this thing. Yeah, the first 3 are all standard. And the last 3, just take a quick look, are all standard. So all 6 pins in it. All standard pins and master pinned. So put it back together. That's it. Again, thanks Ed for the lock. 6-pin Keymark, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.